Alright, so this is the next little section. I curved it up this way. I'm going to drop it down to a point. This top corner is going to be rounded over, and this is going to be dropped down a little bit longer to make the curve with the blade. Alright, you can see that the profile's starting to come together. This is going to be the handle down here, but I'll deal with that in a little while. It's pretty much the rough shape. This is going to drop down a little bit more. It's going to be pretty thin down that way, but and then this I'll just most likely grind off with a grinder. Alright, so that's the rough forging of the blade itself. I'm going to cut off my little handle right here and then forge out the tang and start finishing it up. Alright, so now I'm heating up the handle, trying to draw that out. I cut a little bit of material because it was so thick, but I'll draw it out, get a nice little shape, and then I'll cool it down and go from there, go on to the next step, the handle, and putting an edge to it and refining the blade itself. Alright, so this is the rough profile. I'm probably going to cut off a little bit more of the handle and draw it up this way, flare it down a little bit down this way, so you can have something to hold on to on your pinky. But yeah, that's a rough shape. It took me about, I don't know, 2 hours maybe. Yeah.